crystal of a molecule, put it, and then you bombard it, and then you study the structure, which is the actual structure. And do you know how much it cost? You ask, our head of the department is just before me. You ask him how difficult to procure this instrument. Since last many months we are, exercising for that. Its cost I do not remember exactly because I was not there in that, but probably more than 1 crore, 1.5 crore, 1.5 crore it takes to, and hopefully I think it will arrive by the end of this month to our department. So this is how X-ray crystallography machine. I'm very happy because it's not that before this machine was not there with us, we were not doing the structural elucidation. But now we can do it in our lab because it tells you about the molecule, like it is like a photograph of a molecule, and nobody can challenge, because otherwise it is something like you have your eye closed, and then I will put you before the elephant, and then you describe how elephant is, then you touch it, and then all but when you see it actually, you will realize how it is. And that is how the X-ray means. Spectroscopic techniques are very good, but it is something like blind is describing the elephant, and that is how this technique. Anyway, not just telling you much about that. This cholesterol molecule, all of you know that it's block our artery and others, and that's why yeah.
Sir, what are those brush-like structures?
Where? This one?
No, not that.
This one?
Yes.
Can anyone answer it? What it is? Yeah?
That molecule is above the plane.
Yes, very good. Yeah, this is how we distinguish now. Yeah, above the plane and molecule is, some are planar, some are non-planar. To distinguish it, we use such kind of, what it is called as? Yeah, your answer is from within. I need not to tell you because it is there in your textbook, isn't it? Probably in 11th or 12th standard. Anyway, let us go ahead with, in our body, this is again a very important metal complex. Again, I feel jealous of iron because iron is just fit into this beautiful, porphyrin ring structure. And when I teach this hemoglobin molecule, I say this blood is red in human being, of course. Do you know blood can be other than red color? Yeah. Which color? Blue. Why? Which molecule? Hemoglobin makes blood red. But what makes blood blue?
Iodine.
No iodine. Don't bluff. No cobalt. Blue color is because of which metal? Copper metal. It must be something from copper, isn't it? What is it? Sure? Sure, hemocyanin. Anyway, see this Fe hemoglobin. Let me finish because I am not going to show you that structure which is present in lower animals and some invertebrates also. But then this is hemoglobin, and you see this beautiful oxygen is linking to the 6th position. Again, as I told you, 6 coordinated octahedral geometry around iron, and this makes this 6th coordination position free, where anyone can sit for some time, and then it is on rent. So sometimes oxygen comes, sometimes carbon dioxide comes, and enjoy this octahedral environment, iron. But then what happens when it is linked with CO, carbon monoxide? All of you know, if I close everything and shut down ACs and all, after some time you will feel suffocating if there is no air circulation. Why? Again, this is which responsible for that. Whatever respiration activity which we do is because of this hemoglobin, which circulates throughout our body and provides oxygen to our cells. From our this lungs, it absorbs and deliver it to the last cells which in our body, and then again, not just only single delivery, double is return journey also it undertake, and while coming return back, it will again take carbon dioxide and we get it exhaled. But when this carbon monoxide sits in the place of oxygen or carbon dioxide, what is the problem? We feel suffocation. It's called as Again a question for you. And I am asking so many questions. Anoxia. Have you heard about anoxia? No. Anoxia is the problem which we suffer when we do not have sufficient oxygenated environment, and we get a problem out of it. In a starting already cyanocobalamin, I have shown you. What is this cyanocobalamin? 3 words. Cyanide group, cobalt in a center, and amine part. Just lower the sugar. This is a systematic structure of vitamin B12 or B complex. Sometimes if you have some problem, doctors gives you, without asking, vitamin B12 complex you take. And that is how. And that is what, now since we have started with vitamin, in couple of minutes by now I will show you so many vitamins. And I will, make your day full of vitamins just by showing you some transparencies. See, started with vitamin A, where it requires. Those who are not like having a specs on my eyes, I don't have, because I do have enough vitamin A in my body. In fact, my mother used to tell me, eat leafy vegetables and all, and you will have no problem with your eyes. Vitamin A, retinol, is a chemical. Yeah? Okay, beta carotene already I have told you about this. Where it is found? Carrot, very nice. Gajar ka? Very nice. Vitamin C. What is that? In citrus fruit we have citric. What is that? You are very intelligent, so I need not to tell you much about it, just showing you some slides and it's enough, And that's why, my job is easy. Vitamin D, again, yeah. Many of the time, this is again one small advice from me. Take it if you like. All of you, particularly I am, advising these girls, they do cover these things with, while driving and all. Do not cover your body parts with, big, while driving with, this. Because, let me tell you friends, vitamin D synthesis requires sunlight to go inside our body. It's not just, enough sunlight. And let me tell you, I do have one friend who is practicing, he's a skin doctor, MD in a, skin. He's a very skin specialist in our, city, and he was advising that many of, college-going girls is not only just anemic, but do not have enough vitamin D. And that is how, please do not cover yourself with, this, because, okay, little bit pollution, we let ourselves, be little, let pollution, trouble us a bit, but, please do not cover things so that vitamin D synthesis will hinder inside your body. Yeah, this is vitamin E, again, the systematic name is written, vitamin K, K1, K2, okay. So this is all about vitamin A, B, all vitamins have, that's why I told you, see, मैंने तुमको शुरू में fruits खिलाया, उसके बाद आइसक्रीम खिलाया, and then अभी विटामिन भी दे दिया. अभी विटामिन का tablet I have given you enough. So now from vitamin let us move to some drugs molecule. एक आध दो है, not much. This is important, again coordination chemistry. Platinum, platin is very known anti-cancer drug and is very miracle drug. When this drug was discovered, now lots of work has been done on platinum compounds, and we do expect. Let me tell you, not just that. एक स्लाइड दिखाया था, किसका मेटल कॉम्प्लेक्स का बात किया था, एंटी कैंसर ड्रग, बोलो, कुरकुमिन का. So कुरकुमिन का तो एंटी कैंसर ड्रग बनने वाला है, but then next drug, anti cancer drug, will be from slightly modification of cisplatin, will be also having one anti cancer drug. This is again one of the drug, in arthritis, complex of gold. You can see AU over there. Na? What AU stands for? Gold. अभी बहुत महंगा हो रहा है ना? So that's why we should not do much practice, because अभी silver भी महंगा, gold भी महंगा, and it's increasing like anything, na? So that's why we should not prepare metal complex of silver and gold, but still to sake of showing you, दिखाने में तो पैसा नहीं जाता ना, so just to show you, it's a gold over there, golden. थोड़ा लड़की लोगों को देखते हैं ना जो inorganic compounds you have seen, na? This jewelries, beautiful jewelries are all, what is it? You see this. See this and read the name of chemicals which makes it. will tell you about, see, all are inorganic. Copper is there, calcium is there, tungsten is there, isn't it? Huh? If I ask you the systematic name or IUPAC name of this, can you? Is a mixed oxide of two metal. Which two metal? Yeah, calcium and tungsten. Fine. Some more to show you, because astrologer के पास if you go, he will advise you. आपको ये चाहिए, कौन सा चाहिए, शनि तकलीफ करता है, गुरु, है ना? All of you know Saturn का problem है, अभी साढ़ा सदी चलता है, ये चलता है. So these all chemicals can not just only make your life easier, because when you having this beautiful stones, it not just makes your to makes a sign, but it makes makes you trouble free also from these planets. I don't know how you do have a faith on it. Okay, the last one, सब हो जाता है तो बाद में what we do? पटाखा फोड़ते हैं ना. So then let us have some fireworks, firecrackers. So beautiful celebrations ends with this. Again, chemistry is there. What is that? All of you have done this flame test in your laboratory में करते हैं ना. Green color का flame तो which one? Apple green. Apple green or green? Apple green. And then strontium is which color? But which color? Red तो बहुत सारा होता है. Brick red तो calcium हो जाता है. Crimson color. Very nice. See more. Golden color you may get from iron powder, and orange or yellow color whenever you see sodium is responsible for this. Some pictures I could make it out of it, but then there are many metal salts other than this are also present into the firecrackers, which makes these firecrackers beautiful. ऊपर जाता कितना अच्छा लगता है ना celebrations. So with these celebrations, I end my lecture, showing you a beautiful building where my office is located somewhere here in this building. This is a building donated by a king whose statue is somewhere here, and his 150th birthday celebration is also going on simultaneously. Maharaja Sayajirao Gayakwad III, who have made this university whose foundation day we celebrated. This, thank you very much. If any queries or questions, I will be happy to answer them. But otherwise, let me tell you, I am not much expert in all this. Just to make you, not to make you much bore, I have shown you this, and I hope it was bit, informative, was make you to, at least I don't know how much interesting it was, but chemistry was there somewhere. You can find from slides 1 to end of that, mini chemistry, and that's why let me advise in a one line at the end of the lecture that do practice chemistry whenever you do get, opportunity. Thank you very much.